peekaboo, welcome to Budget Wise Cooking. Today is my first time ever making banana bread. I've always liked it, it's just I always wanted to make it. So I did go to the food bank and I got a bunch of bananas, and they had been, I guess, kept so cold that they turned a little extra ripe. So that's what gave me the notion to go ahead and make some banana bread. I finally came out of hiding just for this recipe, and I want to thank you guys who have subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, come on and subscribe. I try to get a video out at least once a week or once every other week for Budget Wise Cooking. So you guys come on and let's enjoy making this first time cooking of banana bread. It is done, you guys. I tasted it. It is delicious. It's moist. It's good. I guess I need either some ice cream or some, what is it, whipped cream? But this is delicious. But I just want to thank you guys for coming to view the video. I hope you can follow the directions and make you some banana bread. This is delicious. I want to thank you to all my subscribers who have subscribed. Just keep coming back. Share this with your friends. Leave me a comment. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next cooking video. Take care. Bye-bye.